How fast can you put together a beef stew? Well, this one comes together in just minutes. Now, to do that, we're going to skip the steps of sautéing the meat and vegetables ahead of time. So what we're going to need to do is make up the flavor base in other ways. And to do that, I am going to use bone broth, Fond Beef Bone Broth with pear, ginger, and 5-spice, as well as delicate salt umeboshi paste by Ume Reserve. Let's get started. So the first thing we are going to do is we are going to take our beef, and I used pre-cut up beef chuck stew meat. I am going to mix it with 2 tablespoons of flour and a tablespoon of bouquet garni. To shake it in a container, and notice I'm shaking the container over the crock pot so that any extra flour or anything flies right in. So there, the beef is seasoned and ready to go in the base of the crock. Next, I'm going to add 1 onion, 2 carrots that we put together and mix it up. Now, for the seasoning, we have a little bouquet garni, but I'm also going to use some beef stock. This is a jar of Fond Bone Broth, which is flavored with pear, 5-spice, and ginger. So this is going to add a ton of flavor to the stew. Notice I didn't add any salt in the flour mixture, and that's because I am going to use this delicate salt Umeboshi paste from the Ume Reserve, which adds depth of flavor as well as salt. So we'll taste it at the end to see if we need any more salt, but this will be fine. That's it. If I am making this before we leave for school and work in the morning, it goes into the crock pot for about 8 hours on low. Hour before the stew is done, add a cup of frozen peas. You could also add corn, beans, whatever else you'd like. Taste and adjust for seasoning. I'm going to serve the stew with a crusty loaf of bread. You could do rice, you could do potatoes, you could do noodles if you have time to cook something else. But if you don't, when everybody comes in to the house, you can just grab this and serve it. So this is our Speedy slow cooker beef stew with flavor from flavored bone broth and umeboshi paste. Bon appetit.